Okay, Nissan Patrol Y61 in a nutshell. Naglagay tayo ng dual spal brushless fan. Ito yung number 1. Tapos nag-relocate tayo ng oil cooler tsaka ng power steering. And then, ito yung number 2. Walang nirelocate dyan. Tapos ito yung Yazaki socket na 1. And then yung 2. And then ito yung ground ng 1. Ito yung isa pang ground. Tapos ito yung sa compressor signal para mag-on yung fan. Ginamit natin yung OEM na socket from before. May stock fan na 14. Tapos ito yung fuse box. Pati fan controller. Ito yung negative. Ito yung positive. Yun na yun.